I got my hands on 3 different shades of the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation. I'm in the medium skin tone range, and I'm going to share with you guys 3 different colors and the different undertones. The first foundation I'm trying is light beige. This shade is light with neutral undertone, and it's definitely too light for me, so we have to go into the medium skin tone range, but I just wanted to show you guys this color here. I'm going to wipe off my makeup brush and move along to the next one. This next shade is called Natural Beige. It is a light medium with neutral undertones. This color is a little bit close, but I needed something a little bit warmer, so let's move on to the next color. This next shade I'm trying is called Warm Beige, and this is medium with a neutral warm undertone. Now take a look at how this just blends seamlessly into my neck. That's how I know I have found my perfect match. Let me go ahead and wipe off these swatches, and I'm going to talk to you guys all about this foundation and let you know if this is for your skin type or not. First of all, my skin type is combination skin. I have oily areas while other areas are very dry. This has medium to full buildable coverage. It also provides you with all day oil control. The color that goes on your face is the color that stays on your face. It does not oxidize at all. It's supposed to provide you 24 hours of non-creasing and non-caking, and it also decreases the appearance of your pores. And very important right now during summertime, it is waterproof, sweat, and humidity resistant. Quickly, I'm going to go into my Born This Way concealer, and I do want to say that the foundation dries down pretty quickly, and it dries down very matte. It's so important that you do move pretty quickly. You don't want to let the foundation sit on your face for too long, because then it's going to be hard to blend. My oily skin girlies, you are going to love this foundation. I feel like it was designed for you. Now I'm adding some definition using my chocolate sculpting bronzing stick. The foundation is doing really well with these cream products that I'm using. I love this Cloud Crush blush. That was a tongue twister. I'm using the shade Candy Clouds. It blurs out texture. Gotta love that. Speaking of blurring, this is a brand new product also from Too Faced. It's the Born This Way Soft Blur Finishing Setting Powder. I'm going to try the color medium, and I love how girly this component is. It fits right into your purse for easy touch-ups through the day. If you have oily skin, you're gonna thank me later. It's oil controlling, it blots away your shine, and it blurs the appearance of pores. This powder, along with the soft matte foundation, is going to be your best friend if you have an oily skin type and love a matte finish.